Hey guys, Steve from Resell Dojo back, and today is a special video. It is my 100 subscriber video. Now I'm actually a little late putting this one out. I should have put it out, I don't know, maybe a week ago, but I've been just cranking out videos for you guys and time flies and I just haven't been able to get out there and thank every one of you guys for subscribing to my channel. It's so much fun making videos for the community and being part of the community. And as part of getting 100 subscribers on my channel, I'm actually going to be giving away a reseller box to you guys. So before I show you guys the box and what's inside it and what I'm giving away, there's 3 things that you need to do before you are eligible to receive this. So the 3 things that you need to do are: number 1, subscribe to my channel; number 2, make sure you like this video; and number 3, make sure you leave a comment below. I don't care what you put in the comments, do whatever you feel like. I'm just really happy that you guys are here, enjoying my content, and I want to be able to get as many entries in here to give away this box. So I know you guys are like Brad Pitt right now and are like, what's in the box? So let's get to it and let's see what's in the giveaway. Okay, so here's the stack of my giveaway. It's gonna go a large flat rate box. And I'm trying to give just like a little mismatch of everything that I have sitting around, especially in the clothing line. If I have more room, I'll fit more stuff in there. But I just kind of want to give a little bit of a variety when it comes to clothing away for this box. So the first thing that I have here is a single stitch vintage t-shirt. I think if you sell this, you could probably see it made in the USA. It's a cool one. It's a nice fishing one. If you know any fishermen, I think this is a cool one. I probably would have kept this one myself. But I think you get 20 bucks for that one. I got 2 Harley Davidson shirts here. This one actually has a pretty good, they have pretty good backs, I think, on it. Let's see. Boswell's, this is what, Nashville, Tennessee. And they're both, I believe, let's see in there. I think they're both the same size. Yeah, extra large. So let's look at this one. Canada. For you Canucks. British Columbia. So they're both extra large. You can lot them up and sell them, or keep them and sell them separately, or keep them for yourself. Next, I have a Land's End double extra large, and this is a corduroy shirt. These sell really well for me. I just really wanted to give a mix of stuff for people so they could see what works well for them, especially if they're in clothing or not. That's a nice one. I think you get like 30 bucks for that. Probably 25 to 30, especially with the winter coming up. Tommy Bahama silk shirt. This one is a size large. That one will go really nice. I flip those really quick. The last 2 ones are really nice. Nice Robert Graham. This one is a flip cup. So you should be able to sell that for, I don't know, what's Robert Graham go now? 35, 40 bucks. Probably a little bit more once offices start to be a thing again. And the last one here I have, I think people really like this one. There you go, got it open now. Madewell, extra small, fleece, plaid vest, women's vest. I really like this one. I think this is probably the winner out of the lot. So I don't know, I can't remember what the comps were when I looked at, but that was back in the summer when I found this. It should be going up a lot more. You guys tell me what you think that one's worth and what the entire box is worth. Maybe that's what you can put in the comments below, but hope you guys like what's in the box. So I hope you guys like the contents of the giveaway. Thank you guys once again for helping me reach 100 subscribers in a short amount of time. I think it's been about 2 months or so. I think I got 25, 27 videos out. It's just been awesome. If you haven't checked out my channel, make sure you do. Once again, remember the 3 things you need to do to enter in is subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'll release the winner in a week. I'll tag them in another video that I have and let you guys all know who the winner was and show you guys. And so thank you guys once again for helping me get to 100 subscribers. It's been awesome so far. I'm having so much fun on this journey, and just thank you guys. It's just been so much fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.